Hi, boys and girls. Welcome to episode 2. So, we are going to take out this paper, our morning starter. And the first thing we're going to do is write our name. I'm outside on this nice day, so something different. Get some air. All right, so we have our name. And now we're looking at today. So we have to figure out what today is. Is it Monday? No. Is it Tuesday? Nope. Is it Wednesday? No, that was yesterday. And I'm so sorry I didn't get to see you. So that means if yesterday was Wednesday, today is Thursday. So let's circle our Thursday. Good job. Well, we already know what the letter of the week is. So the letter of the day is Z. So you're going to take your pencils and we're going to trace inside our Z. Perfect. I'm sorry that this is wiggly, but I'm definitely by myself today. Everyone's out working. All right, so now we have to look at that row and find the Z's and circle them. So you look first and I'm going to look also, and then we will count together how many we found, okay? All right, I think I found all my Z's. Let's count and find out. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 Z's. All right, now we got to come over to the maze and help the zebra get to the zoo. So let's see, let's do this maze. Oh my goodness, well we can't go that way because he'll go into the water. So let's go around the tree. We can't go up that way because that's a dead end. So let's keep going, and guess what? There we are at the zoo. Good job, guys. All right, so let's come down to beginning sounds. So we're good with phonics because we really listen to when Mrs. Hickey would say a picture and you would tell me what it starts with. So we have to fill in the blanks with the letter that begins the word's picture. And then we'll read the silly sentence. Okay, so the first picture is, who can tell me what that first, everybody scream it. It's a unicorn, and unicorn starts with the letter U. So let's write a capital U. And this is what the sentence says. Yuli the unicorn uses her umbrella. Funny, funny. Okay, this is a whale. What does whale start with? Yes, it does. A W. So let's make our capital W. And the sentence says, Wally the whale wakes up. Wally the whale wakes up. All right, last picture here. It's not a bull and it's not a cow. Okay, so I'm going to tell you what it is. It's a yak. What do you think yak starts with? It starts with a Y, so let's make a capital Y right there. And here is the sentence. Yanni the yak plays with a yo-yo. A lot of Y's there. All right, here we go. Now we're doing the last part, and it's subtraction. So we went over subtraction a few times, so we're going to do this together. We have to count the snails and then take away the number it tells us to take away. For example, number 3, there are 1, 2, 3 snails. Minus, which means take away, they want us to take away 2. 1, 2. And how many were left with no X? Just 1. All right, now let's make up this math problem. Let's count. How many snails are here total? Even with the X, let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you're going to put a 4 on the first line. Now minus, which means take away, how many snails have an X on them? That's right, only one. So we're going to put a 1 here. So 4 minus 1. 4 take away 1 snail equals, well, how many snails are left without any X's? 1, 2, 3. So 4 minus 1 equals 3. All right, here we go. Next math problem. Let's count how many snails we have, even the ones that have an X on it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're going to put 5 right there. Okay, so we have 5 minus, that means take away, how many snails have X's on them? 1, 2, 3. So we have 5 minus 3. 5 take away 3 snails. And how many snails are left without an X? 1, 2. So we're going to put a 2 right there. So 5 minus 3 equals 2. And we're finished our paper morning starter. Now yesterday I wasn't able to see you, but I did give you guys new, well, they're not new sight words. We're familiar with them, but some sight words that you had to write. So now we're going to find the sight words and color them in the colors they want us to use. But our first thing we're going to do is write our name on the black line next to the word name. So we're going to need 4 colors. We're going to need red, blue, yellow, and green. Should have taken them out before I... Red, blue, yellow, whoops, sorry, and green. Okay. So the first word, and I want everyone to scream it out loud. What is this first word? And the color next to it is red. Just color this part, the tip of the crown. So let's look in this square for all the words that say and color the squares in. All right, I'm going to do mine, you do yours, and then we'll count how many we found, okay? So you're coloring wherever you see the word and in with a red crown. So keep going. Make sure you color in all the squares that say that word and then we'll count. All right, I think I found all of them. So let's count how many ands we found. 1, 2, 3, 4. There were 4 ands in our square. The next color I want you to take out is blue, and let's color the tip right here because we're going to color the sight word what? Who knows what that sight word? Everyone should know this one. That's right, the. So let's look for all the sight word with the squares, and we're going to color them in blue. Okay. So you look for yours, and I will look at mine and color them in. This is just a review of some more sight words. Oh my goodness, my hand's getting tired. Do I see any more? Yes, I do. All right. So I found all my thes. So let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. There were 4 thes. Okay, so now for some odd reason, I can't seem to find... Oh, there it is. Never mind. I found it. My yellow crayon. So the next sight word that we are going to use is to. So I want you to color the tip of the crayon yellow. And let's look for the word to. T-O, and then you're going to circle them. I'm sorry, you're going to color in that square, okay? Wherever you see the word to. La, 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 la. Okie dokie. How many did we find? 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right, one more sight word to go. And that sight word is U. So let's color in the tip. And now let's look for all the U's and color those squares in green. I'm sorry, mine's a little messy, but I have one hand holding the camera and one hand coloring. Alrighty. Voila. So let's count how many U's I found. 1, 2, 3, 4. So they had the same amount of squares for each word. All right, so now we're done this, and I'm going to come back and we are going to read a little bit in religion about animals, okay? I'll see you in a couple minutes.